Hello everyone, my name is Richard Gonzalez and I'm here to introduce you to Maji Taka Tech. Maji Taka Tech is a consortium of three companies, two based in the UK and one based in Kenya, and we are trying to tackle water-related issues by implementing cutting-edge technology to solve it. More specifically, that technology is based on IoT components, which is commonly known as smart water. Over to you, Sarah.
I'm Sarah, the Kenyan counterpart of the Maji Taka Tech team. I'm in Mombasa. You can see behind me a sewage pipe that has overflowed. This water here is raw sewage. I'm in an extremely busy area in the centre of town. There's a lot of people working around here, a lot of people living here.
Direct contact with this water obviously poses a major health hazard to the surrounding population and affects local businesses. Not only that, the effluent flows down a channel into the nearby waterway, which has a negative impact on the environment and coastal livelihoods. The blue economy has been recognised in the last 3 years as a major component of the Kenyan GDP, with tourism alone being nearly 10%. Raw sewage absolutely must not be a part of this. By nature of being buried, sewer and water supply lines often remain really a bit of a mystery, and the quality of water is only monitored by manual sampling at periodic times, which can easily miss spikes, and flow is virtually never recorded. So how can Maji Taka Tech help? We aim to give the water utility eyes and ears on the ground through the introduction of a remote real-time monitoring system. Data is automatically collected from a series of endpoints, transmitted and displayed to the user. Alarms can be set to alert the operators of events outside the norm, allowing them to rapidly respond and reduce negative impacts. Over to you, Richard, for more details.
Thanks, Sarah. From the technical point of view, Maji Taka Tech comprises a number of data capture points, commonly known as endpoints in the IoT world. And these are able to capture in real time water critical parameters such as pH, temperature, turbidity, and many others. They can provide extremely valuable information to water utility companies for their operations. This data is then presented through a user-friendly dashboard, as well as stored for reporting historical data mining purposes. Over to you, Sarah.
In the development of Maji Taka Tech, we've collaborated with 3 water utilities and the Kenyan water regulator to identify specific points of concern to them. In Mombasa, sewage overflows into the environment could be reduced by alerting the utility when sewer flows are abnormal. In Nairobi, effluent quality at the wastewater treatment plant could be improved by monitoring pH throughout the system. In Kisumu, costly shutdowns on the water supply line could be avoided by monitoring turbidity in the intake water, saving money for the operator and improving service delivery for customers. Finally, for the regulators, the costly and laborious manual sampling regime could be greatly enhanced by a real-time remote monitoring system such as this. Over to you now, Simon.
Our commercial model includes the use of our products, software, services, and maintenance. Each application that goes into the market will be a turnkey solution. This will include a mixture of hardware. It will also have our software and then services to deliver. Then once it's been installed and it's up and running, we will look at a tailored maintenance and support package for the client to monitor and maintain the overall solution. We will also be looking at the idea of professional services. These will be to start a project off, to give our expertise and to support the client in the field regarding the full-scale deployment of the application. Then once everything's been installed and it's up and running, we would like to offer the opportunity for an outsourced data analytics bureau. This could be a turnkey approach. It would also mean that the client has enough of their own basic data, but they may require to come back to us to provide more detailed analysis. Thank you.
Thanks, Simon. Finally, very quickly, I will present what we believe are the next steps for our proposed system. Firstly, we currently are in the run for an initiative that will see our technology being deployed here in the UK as a pilot for an UK-based water utility. We're also working in establishing solid relationships with Kenyan water-related entities, and this will see not only a pilot being deployed, but potentially us helping them in a number of processes that they desperately need some kind of help with from a technology like ours. And finally, we plan to exhibit at the Glasgow COP26 event, which is which obviously is going to allow us to showcase the system in a very apt scenario such as this one. And with this, we just get to the final slide of the presentation. Our contact details are here, so just please feel free to get in touch with us should you require much more information. Thank you.